In this video, I will share the most informative information about the world. So let's start. Which is the largest desert in the world? So there are a lot of deserts in the world, but the Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. And the Sahara Desert is located in the Africa. And one thing I want to share more about Gobi Desert. Gobi Desert is the second largest desert in the world, and it is located in the China. What is the largest ocean in the world? So we have four big and largest ocean in the world. So the biggest or the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. And the second largest ocean in the world is the Atlantic Ocean. And tell me in the comment box what is the third, fourth and the fifth ocean of the world. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? In solar system there are 8 planets, and the ninth one is the Pluto. It is disappeared, and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. What is the tallest mountain peak in the world? So there are a lot of mountains in the world. The highest mountain or tallest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest, and it is 8,848 meter high, and it is located in the Himalayas range. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? So we have 4 options. The right answer is option B, Amazon rainforest. What is the largest country in the term of land by area? The Russia is the country which is the largest country in term of land area. What is the largest lake in the world by surface area? So there are also many lakes in the world, but the Caspian Sea is the largest lake in the world. What is the largest island in the world? So we have 4 options. Option A is the right answer. Greenland is the largest island in the world. What is the largest flower in the world? So we have also 4 options. The right answer is the Rafflesia. Which is the largest dam in the world by electricity generating capacity? So we have 4 options. The right answer is option B, the George Dam. The George Dam is located in the China, and it is generating about 22,500 megawatt electricity. What is the largest organ in the human body? So our human body has many organs, but the skin is the largest organ in our human body. What is the largest artery in human body? So the right answer is aorta. And the aorta carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to vessels. What is the largest flower producing country in the world? So we have 4 options. The right answer is Netherlands. Netherlands is the country which is producing the largest flowers in the world. Our next question is what is the largest and the deepest oceanic trench in the world? So the option B is the right answer. Mariana Trench is the largest and the deepest oceanic trench in the world. What is the largest and the most populous continent in the world? It is the option B is the right answer, Asia. There are several continents in the world. First and the biggest continent is the Asia, and the second is the Africa, third is Europe, South America, South Africa, and the Antarctica and Australia. So the 7 continent, but the Asia is the largest and the most populous continent in the world. So that is enough for today. Next video we will discuss another information.